How to download apps not available in your country. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Play Store application on the device and then just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then you can see the option of payment and subscription. Select on that, then select on payment methods. Then select on more payment settings at the bottom of the screen. So after the page loads, you can see the options of add a payment method. Select on that. And here at the billing address, you can change your location or change your country. Here right now it's Nepal. I can change it to, let's say, United States. So just select on that, and after that your app can be downloaded. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.